All right, guys, 2015 Chevy Camaro V6. As you guys can see, what we got done on it, it's a little bit something a little bit different. Got factory 4 converters, two there, two there. Then we took the H pipe out and put an X pipe. Then it's still got factory resonators there. 2 1/4 pipe, and he brought his own MBRP system. Hey, I said it nice today. MBRP axle back kit. They're in there, as you guys can see out the back. And the partner, there's the 2 mufflers that we cut off. Right there, I don't know where the H pipe is. So here's the part number on the MBRP 3-inch system. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. That's what it looks like after. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2011 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on it. There's the rear mufflers we cut off. Or resonators, sorry. Everybody calls them differently. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side. Right there and right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. It used to have an X pipe here. And 2 resonators in the middle there. We cut both of those off. And we true dualed it. So basically it's true dualed all the way back. And then we did a rear muffler delete, which are those 2 over there. We cut that one off and that one off. And then reused his tips. This one and that one. He's gonna come back, he's gonna put some tips that have that shoot fire. He's gonna order them and we're gonna put them in. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Keeps us going. And there's the H pipe and the mid resonators that we cut off. Right there. There it is, what it looks like after. I'll let you guys hear in a second. MBRP system. What do you think? You don't want it? Do you like it? Okay. Huh? Yeah. If nothing else, it lost a lot of the weight. Yeah. Again? It's not bad. It's clean. Clean, deep sound. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? Yeah, right at 99. Go ahead and back it up. That ain't bad. It's got a little bite to it. Back it up. 124. That is loud. Woo. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on these. Got the little bass going. Yeah, not bad. Chevy Camaro V6. True dual straight pipe.